Just a quick shack tip next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Quick little video. I am working on my joiner right now. I had to completely hone this top because the guy I purchased it from didn't take very good care of it, and I'll have a video of that up shortly. As soon as I get this all aligned and ready to go, I'll put the video up, but I'm still in the process of working on it. But I thought I would give you a quick shack tip as far as your sanding paper. So let me reposition the camera and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Not sure if you can see this on camera or not, but this side wasn't very bad at all. Had a little bit of a stain right here from a coffee cup or a cup or something, left a little ring, and very light coloration in here. This side though was terrible, so much so that down this area, just up here, is pitted almost. Very dark. I got stains here, here, all along here, all through here. This actually had glue dripped off the side. I had to clean all that off, went on to the cabinet itself. I think he flattened this stuff, glued it up here, and went to his lathe and turned the wood there. Since this side wasn't too bad, I honed it with WD-40. This side was so bad, I am just doing it dry for now till I get down to the point where I think it's acceptable. Then I will put WD-40, hone that, 400 grit, then go to 1000 grit on both sides. But my tip is, this is your rubber abrasive stick. Basically, you see this here. I'm actually going to get the camera a little bit close. I want you to see this. Sanding the tabletop, I get this. And I don't want to just waste this, throw it away, get another piece of paper on here. I keep reusing the same paper because I get my eraser, my rubber abrasive cleaning stick. And I want you to see this. This is like magic. Voila. And I'm good to go again. So if you want to save your sanding paper, get the most out of it, you need one of these, especially belt sanders, disc sanders, any sander that you have, and you put the sanding paper on it. After a while, it gets little clumps in there. Use this to clean it off just like that, and I'm good to go. I've cleaned this probably about 6 or 7 times. It's still good, so I'm going to continue cleaning that till I get it to the point where I can start doing the WD-40 and hone it for the final finish. That is my quick tip. See? There you have it, a quick shack tip. Save your sandpaper, get the most out of it. Things cost money, things are not getting any cheaper. Get the most out of everything you have right now. You can get long life out of your sandpaper, keeping it clean, cleaning out the little clog stuff in here. Give your sandpaper new life with a rubber abrasive cleaning stick. It doesn't matter where you get it from. I think Rockler carries them, maybe Woodworking, Woodcraft, or Infinity. I mean, there's a lot of places out there. Check them out. Find you some, buy you some, and start saving your sandpaper. Get the extended life it deserves. That's it on this tip. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.